Mason and Bailey. A great marriage begins with two people joined together in love as partners and best friends. For these two people, love is the magic that keeps them together and guides them on their journey. Mason and Bailey, today you not only marry the right person, you also commit to being the right partner, the one with whom the other can stand and face the world.
Bailey, my sweetheart, I want to share some reasons why I'm excited to marry you today. The first is that our love truly comes effortlessly. I can't explain it, but it's like a magnet, our love. One look brings me happiness. The second is our partnership comes naturally, even since the first time we met. Like when I made a mess on one of our first dates, you ran to get the spray cleaner, I ran to get the paper towels, both of us without thinking about it. And I've always been the planner, but when shit hits the fans, you always spring into action.
Mason, my sweetheart. From the very first day we met, this has been effortless. From the first mess we ever cleaned up, which for the record I did not make, to the day I asked you to be my boyfriend, to the moment we first said I love you, to every hardship, every adventure, I know that this is a love that's effortless, like home.
Bailey, I love you because you bring so much fun to my life. The first time we went to a wedding, and with you in that sundress, I could just look at you and dance like a goof.
With you, I feel safe, I feel happy, and I know that we'll always be laughing. We complement each other in every way, in every moment. When I'm a whirlwind, you're always there to clean up my mess. When there's chaos, I love that you trusted me and lean on me to be your rock.
I love you because you've always been there for me, even at my hardest times. The hardest was losing my dad, but you dropped everything to support me. While he's with us here in spirit, he saw how perfect we are together, and he couldn't wait for us to marry.
I know no matter what life throws our way, we'll face it together, always as partners. And now standing here in Alaska from this awesome mountain, I'm reminded every day how every step on this journey led us here to this perfect day.
So Bailey, I promise to love you deeply, to cherish you endlessly, and appreciate you in every moment.
I promise to listen to you, to learn with you, and to grow beside you.
Together, we'll be the best versions of ourselves.
And to give each other grace when we are not. I promise to be your partner, hand in hand.
Wherever life takes us. And I cannot wait to go on this great adventure with you. I love you.
I love you.
So now, by the power vested in me by the state of Alaska, it is my highest honor to declare you husband and wife. Mason, you may now kiss your bride.
With your hand in mine, no matter how high, falling feels like flying over the edge. We go way high, falling feels like flying.
To Mason and Bailey, and to all of you guys for coming.
I'm living on the bright side, looking for that good life. Everything is alright, riding on that golden wave, swimming in the fresh blue, glossy feeling brand new. Sun is about to break through. Ooh, I love the world today. I'm living on the bright side. I'm living on the bright side. It's that tank top weather, oh. All my friends get together, oh. Feel it couldn't be better, yes. Tell me this is forever, yeah. Summer days they're getting hotter. She getting up out the water. Baby is beautiful, so glad the future is wavy. Colors are crazy. I'm living on the bright side, looking for that good life. Everything is alright, riding on that golden wave, swimming in the fresh blue, glossy feeling brand new. Sun is about to break through. Ooh, I love the world today. I'm living on the bright side. I'm living on the bright side. I'm living on the bright side. The chemistry is right. I'm feeling so alive. Dreams flying in the sky. And I'm never coming back. I'm living on the bright side, looking for that good life. Everything is alright, riding on that golden wave.